Eid Mubarak, beauties! Today, I'm creating a soft glam look that's perfect for celebrating, elegant, glowy, and totally Eid ready. So let's get started. I'm starting with a glowing base. Skin prep is everything for that Eid radiance. This is the Annuous 70% Heart Leaf Toner, and yes, it's as gentle as it sounds. My skin loves this toner, especially when it's feeling sensitive. If you're into minimalist K-beauty, this one's a must-try. This is the Miss Rose Silk Foundation, and it's giving smooth, flawless skin on a budget. I'm using shade Beige 4. I'm dotting it on and blending with a brush. It has a creamy, silky texture and gives instant medium to full coverage. The finish is soft matte, not flat, just smooth and natural looking. Great for oily to combination skin, and it sets beautifully without looking cakey. It wears well for hours with a setting spray, and it doesn't feel heavy. Honestly, one of the best affordable foundations I've tried. Let's brighten these under eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, a drugstore legend. Twist to dispense and dot it under your eyes, around the nose, and any dark spots. The sponge tip makes it super quick and mess-free. Blending it with a damp beauty sponge, it melts into the skin and gives that smooth, lifted look, brightens instantly without creasing or looking heavy. It's lightweight, buildable, and doesn't settle into fine lines. Perfect for everyday wear, especially if you want a fresh, awake look. This is the NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush. Just one pump, a little goes a long way. I'm tapping it onto my cheeks with my fingers and blending upward for a lifted flush. It's that perfect peachy pink with golden shimmer. Gives you a radiant, just got some sun kind of glow. Lightweight, buildable, and blends like silk. It layers beautifully over foundation or skin tints and won't disturb your base. Perfect for clean girl, summer, or bridal looks. I'm using Tan Bon by BB Ama. It claims to be blendable, lightweight, and perfect for a natural contour. I'm applying it with a dense brush directly under my cheekbones, around the forehead, and jawline. You can already see how creamy it glides on, no patchiness. This melts right into the skin, no harsh lines. The finish is soft, natural, and gives that healthy glow, like you've just been on vacation. Then I'm contouring my nose. I'm using the powder blush. This one is from Miniso. It's not much pigmented, but I like it. I'm using a fluffy brush and applying it to the apples of my cheeks, blending it slightly upward for that lifted effect. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I'm using this shade in my eyelid with a fluffy brush, back and forth windshield motion, soft, blended, and seamless. Now taking this shade close to lash line, I'm focusing the color on the lash line and blending it. I'm using this shade under the eyes, Teddy and Rod, to tie the look together. Small pencil brush for control. Next, I'm doing my brows. This is one of my favorite makeup tricks. I'm applying a white pencil in my waterline. This instantly makes your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake. It's perfect for tired eyes, or when you want that clean, fresh vibe. You can also use a nude pencil for a softer effect, but white gives that doll-like pop. Never skip this step. It makes all the difference. I'm curling my lash at the root for about 5 seconds. Look at that lift. Even before mascara, my eyes already look more open. Pro tip, curl before mascara to avoid pulling or breakage. I'm placing the clusters. Don't forget the lower lash. This step pulls the whole eye look together. Just a light hand and a little wiggle. If you want soft definition, use brown mascara instead of black. Start by drawing a little dip right at the cupid's bow, almost like the top of a heart, then follow the natural shape of your lips, but slightly round out the top edges. This gives that soft, plush look. Now connect it down to your corners. Keep the center fuller and more defined. Blend a little inward and you're ready for gloss or lipstick. See that subtle heart shape? Super flattering and feminine. I'm using liquid lipstick by NYX, shade Sakala Spring. I hope this look inspires your Eid Glam. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. Stay beautiful and blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.